Hey guys, what's up? My name is Don Stralin and I click buttons for a living. One of my friends who saw my previous video just pointed out that I use a fake accent in my video. I know, macha, I do it on purpose only. I do it on purpose. Today, I am on a mission to pirate Brooks and give away the FLP for free. Why? It's obvious. I hate Future House. That's right, I said it. What you gonna do? And also, this video today is sponsored by no one. I have like 190 subscribers, so gently push the red subscribe button somewhere here. Now, I did record myself producing the whole track, but then this happened. That's right. FL Studio crashed. I did manage to recover the project, so let's just walk through it. First thing and the most important thing, set the BPM to 128. Why? Because I wish to do so. Come up with some pretty good chords. It would be great if we had something that sounds like this. I also automated the cutoff here so it widens up. And I have another layer of chords. So together the chords sound like this. And then I have a bass that's under it. Some distortion and a sidechain for the bass and the chords. Some OTT, some reverb and some EQ to remove all the low ends, which will be replaced by the bass. Now we have all these three layers and I've bounced them out into this because let's face it, my CPU can't handle so much. So together it sounds. Then on this I have a melody with some vocal chops layered. And then I have some atmosphere layered, tambourine, percussions and top loops, which sounds like this. Some effects. Then on the second part of the break we have some kicks, claps, percussions, more effects. Altogether, the break sounds like this. Build up chords. More chords. Build up bass. atmosphere. A drop lead but filtered in. Another lead. Some snares, of course, can't miss those. And a lot of risers. A lot of upsweeps and risers. And for the short fill, add just an impact and some percussive drums. Kick, clap, rides, drop bass, more drop bass, Reese bass or gritty bass, sub bass. Again, I have this rendered out because my CPU. Chords, more chords, drop lead 1. I have some OTT, some distortion, some side chaining, and before that I've removed all the low end from the lead. Drop lead 2, some EQ, OTT, distortion, side chaining again. Drop lead 3, guys, the drop leads sound good on its own, but it's really the reverb swells that you create that work most of the time and what gives that wide, huge and Brooks feels. So I've routed all the leads to a bus here. It's called the lead bus, and I have some effects here, and I have this endless mile, and I've automated the intensity which creates some swells. I'll show you. You can do that, which is pretty great. So I've automated that, and let's just hear it with and without. Here's without, and here it is with the automation. It makes a whole lot of difference, so it is pretty important. More percussion, some white noise, more effects. And that's pretty much it, and let's hear how it sounds. Like what you heard, didn't you? Go ahead, download it for free, link in description. Also subscribe, turn on notifications and comment which artist I should rip off next. Until then, goodbye, stay safe, stay alive cause I need your views. Bye.